Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of website optimization through two popular business models, affiliate marketing and dropshipping. Which one is right for you? Let's find out. First, let's define affiliate marketing. This model allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. You drive traffic to their site, and when a sale is made through your link, you get paid. Now, what about dropshipping? This model enables you to sell products without holding inventory. You partner with suppliers who ship directly to your customers, allowing you to focus on sales and marketing. Let's compare the pros and cons of both models. Affiliate marketing offers low startup costs and passive income potential. However, it can be challenging to build traffic. On the other hand, dropshipping requires more initial setup and management, but allows for greater control over branding. Consider successful case studies, like Pat Flynn's smart passive income for affiliate marketing and Oberlo's success with dropshipping. These examples show the potential each model has for growth. When choosing the right model, consider your strengths and resources. Do you prefer selling your own brand or promoting others? Assess your risk tolerance and the time you can invest. In conclusion, both affiliate marketing and dropshipping have their unique advantages. Choose the model that aligns with your goals and start optimizing your website today. For more resources, check the links in the description.